Hey everybody, so I recently purchased this Akaso Brave 4 for filming some YouTube videos. I actually just got it yesterday, so I unboxed it and also got an accessory kit here that I'll walk you through some of the items out of that as well. But up until now, I've just been filming with my cell phone, but through a little coaxing from my wife and some unexpected casino winnings, decided to go ahead and buy this camera as kind of a less expensive alternative to a GoPro. But I haven't done much with it yet, but we'll be filming with it in this video and kind of showing you some of the features and what it can do. But power button on the front, there's some selector buttons on the side, button on the top, battery goes in the bottom, micro SD card in the side. This one actually did come with 2 batteries and a remote to be able to take pictures or video, and of course the waterproof case. My accessory kit, some of the items in that include the buoyancy selfie stick. There's a longer selfie stick. There's a head mount, chest mount that's down in here. Of course, like a alligator clip mount, suction cup mount that I hope to use in like a car windshield, or maybe hanging off the side doing some smoky burnouts, or watching the slow CTSV get beaten. And of course the tripod here too. Let's go ahead and start this up and we'll take a look at some of the features with it. Of course, power button on the front. One of the things I liked about this is it has a gyroscope and kind of an anti-shake with it, so hopefully that helps with some of the videos. But there's a video mode, picture. Of course, there's no files on it yet, so I can't review anything. And then there are a lot of different settings. So you can set up your resolution. This will take up to 20 megapixel pictures. We'll just run through some of these settings. Again, there's buttons on the side, but resolution, the gyroscope's actually something pretty cool that I was excited about. You can actually set this up as to detect motion. You can turn the audio record on and off. Of course, there's a diving mode. Of course, all the different quality, sharpness. Anti-shaking also. This one does have Wi-Fi capability, so you can actually download or transmit movies via the Wi-Fi. So that's pretty cool. We'll probably try some of that out eventually, but okay, so I'm gonna go out and actually take some video with this camera, just kind of see how it is compared to the Samsung S9 that I'm using now. All right, so I went outside. So far, most of my videos, if you've checked them out, are of this Suburban here. And actually, one of the things we're going to be working on later today is this door handle. We had an ice storm last week, and I went to pull the door handle, and of course it broke. So I have some door handles for that. I also had some comments on the wheels, so we're going to go ahead and polish those. And here's a project I've been working on at work, some office renovation. I actually laid tile, did the grout today, so the grout is actually curing right now, and of course I'm not supposed to be walking on it, but I am. Just give you some example of color and what I'm doing. Of course, the old floor is like a stamped concrete slab, so I had to do some leveling and filling to be able to get to the concrete. Alright, so we're out driving in the cheap Suburban right now. I wanted to see how this camera did as a dash cam. I just want to see how it picks up the road noise. The suction cup mount has a lot of adjustability, so that's pretty nice. Okay, we'll get out on the highway here and get up to speed. Alright, so I turned the camera around, faced it on myself. I just want to see how it would work. Focused more on me than out on the road. Bumps there. Seems like it maybe wiggles a little bit, but not too bad. Of course, the suspension on the cheap Suburban isn't anything spectacular anyway. Hopefully with some more parts coming in, we can get that repaired. Alright, so I switched back over to my cell phone camera just to show one of the things that I'm not real fond of is in this case the camera actually can jiggle quite a bit. So I don't know how that's going to work yet, but that's probably my biggest. You can see pretty good that it moves in there quite a bit. I've noticed a lot of people use this waterproof case and actually just drill out where the microphone is to be able to use audio with this. It's held in here really well. Of course, it is waterproof, not after you drill holes, but I think these are like, this replacement's like $10 on Amazon, something like that. I can link that, as well as the camera and the accessory kit that I bought. All the accessories seem to be of pretty good quality. There's definitely a lot of little parts and pieces, and I think primarily what I'll use is the suction cup mount and the tripod, and of course the different selfie sticks and stuff for what I'm doing, which is mostly car repair stuff, but might get into some of the renovation work that I'm doing as well. But I just want to give a quick review on this Akaso Brave 4. Seems like a pretty good, easy to use camera. Good price point also compared to a GoPro. Seems to have a lot of really good reviews on it. So if you have any questions, hit me up. Otherwise, check out my other videos on car repair and how to, and follow the story of the cheap Suburban. Thanks for watching.